Welcome back to Prime Picks USA, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products available on Amazon. Today, we are checking out the top 5 best electric spin scrubbers designed to make cleaning faster and easier. These powerful cleaning tools help remove tough dirt, soap scum, and grime from bathrooms, kitchens, tiles, and more with minimal effort. Let us get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Lebian Electric Spin Scrubber, Cordless Cleaning Brush with 8 replaceable brush heads, tub and floor tile 360 power scrubber, dual speed with adjustable and detachable handle for bathroom, kitchen, car. The Lebian Electric Spin Scrubber is designed to make household cleaning easier by providing powerful scrubbing action without the need for heavy manual effort. This cordless cleaning tool uses a rotating brush system to help remove dirt, soap scum, and grime from various surfaces around the home. One of the main highlights of this device is its 360-degree rotating brush head. The spinning motion allows the scrubber to clean surfaces more effectively than traditional manual brushes, helping loosen stubborn dirt and stains. The scrubber comes with multiple replaceable brush heads designed for different cleaning tasks. These attachments allow users to clean a wide range of surfaces including bathroom tiles, bathtubs, kitchen sinks, floors, grout lines, and even car wheels. Another key feature is the adjustable and detachable handle. The extension handle can be lengthened to help reach higher or lower areas such as shower walls, ceilings, or floor tiles. This helps reduce bending or stretching during cleaning. The device also offers dual speed settings. A lower speed can be used for gentle cleaning tasks, while the higher speed setting provides stronger scrubbing power for tougher stains and buildup. Number 2. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber 18-piece kit, cordless electric battery-powered scrub brush, water-resistant, for home, kitchen, bathroom, grout, tile, shower tub. The Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber is a compact electric cleaning brush designed to help tackle detailed cleaning tasks around the home. With its cordless design and multiple attachments, this scrubber focuses on removing dirt and grime from smaller or hard-to-reach areas. One of the main features of the Rubbermaid Reveal Scrubber is its oscillating brush technology. Instead of simply rotating, the brush head moves rapidly back and forth to provide strong scrubbing action that helps remove stubborn dirt and buildup. The kit includes a variety of brush heads and accessories, making it suitable for different surfaces and cleaning needs. These attachments allow users to clean grout lines, tile surfaces, sinks, shower walls, stovetops, and other tight spaces. Because the device is battery-powered and cordless, it is easy to move around the house while cleaning. The compact size also makes it convenient for handling smaller cleaning tasks that require precision. Another useful feature is the water-resistant design. This allows the scrubber to be used safely in damp environments such as bathrooms, showers, and kitchen sinks. The handle is designed to be comfortable and easy to grip, helping users maintain control while scrubbing surfaces. The compact size also makes it easier to reach narrow spaces that may be difficult to clean with larger tools. Number 3. Electric Spin Scrubber, Cordless Cleaning Brush Scrubber for Home, 8 replaceable brush heads, 90 minutes work time, 3 adjustable size, 2 speeds for bathroom, shower, bathtub, glass, car. The electric spin scrubber is designed to simplify household cleaning by using a motorized rotating brush to remove dirt and grime more efficiently than manual scrubbing. This cordless cleaning tool helps reduce the effort required when cleaning bathrooms, kitchens, and other surfaces around the home. One of the key features of this scrubber is its rotating brush system. The brush head spins continuously to loosen stubborn stains, soap residue, and dirt buildup from surfaces such as tiles, bathtubs, and sinks. The device comes with 8 replaceable brush heads that are designed for different cleaning tasks. Each brush attachment has a unique shape that allows it to clean specific areas such as corners, flat surfaces, curved areas, and grout lines. Another helpful feature is the adjustable handle length. The scrubber can be used in different sizes depending on the cleaning situation. Users can shorten the handle for close-up work or extend it to reach higher walls, ceilings, or floor surfaces. The device includes 2 speed settings to adjust the cleaning power. A lower speed is useful for light cleaning tasks, while the higher speed setting provides stronger scrubbing action for tougher stains. Battery performance is also an important advantage of this model. The rechargeable battery supports up to approximately 90 minutes of continuous cleaning on a full charge, making it suitable for longer cleaning sessions. Number 4. TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber, Full Body IPX7 Waterproof Bathroom Scrubber with Power LCD Display, 8 Replacement Head, Adjustable Extension Handle, Cordless Shower Cleaner Brush for Bathtub Cleaning. The TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber is designed to deliver powerful cleaning performance while providing convenient features such as waterproof protection and a digital display. This cordless cleaning brush is built to help remove dirt, soap scum, and grime from bathroom and kitchen surfaces. One of the standout features of this model is its full-body IPX7 waterproof design. This high level of water resistance allows the scrubber to be used safely in wet environments such as showers, bathtubs, and sinks without worrying about water damage. The scrubber also includes a built-in LCD display that shows important information such as battery level and operating status. This digital display helps users monitor the device while cleaning and know when it needs to be recharged. The unit comes with 8 replacement brush heads designed for various cleaning tasks. These attachments allow the scrubber to handle different surfaces including tiles, grout lines, bathtubs, sinks, and even glass surfaces. Another useful feature is the adjustable extension handle. The handle can be extended to reach higher walls or ceilings and shortened for more detailed cleaning tasks. This flexibility helps reduce the need to bend or stretch during cleaning. The cordless design makes the scrubber easy to use in different areas of the home. Without a power cord, users can clean freely and move between rooms more easily. The powerful motor rotates the brush heads to help break down stubborn dirt and stains while reducing the amount of manual scrubbing required. Number 5. Electric Spin Scrubber for Cleaning Bathroom, Cordless Power Shower Scrubber Electric Cleaning Brush for Tile Tub. The Electric Spin Scrubber for Cleaning Bathroom is designed to make everyday household cleaning faster and less physically demanding. By using motorized brush rotation, this device helps remove dirt, soap residue, and grime from common bathroom surfaces. The scrubber features a rotating brush head that spins continuously to provide strong scrubbing action. This movement helps loosen stubborn buildup on surfaces such as shower walls, bathtubs, tiles, and sinks. One of the main benefits of this device is its cordless design. Without the restriction of a power cord, users can move freely while cleaning and easily reach different areas of the bathroom or kitchen. The electric scrubber is designed for a variety of surfaces including tiles, glass, tubs, and grout lines. Its brush attachments help tackle common bathroom cleaning challenges such as soap scum and hard water stains. The handle is designed to be lightweight and comfortable to hold, allowing users to maintain control while guiding the brush across surfaces. Because the brush does most of the scrubbing work, the device helps reduce the amount of physical effort normally required during cleaning tasks. Overall, the Electric Spin Scrubber for bathroom cleaning offers a convenient way to handle household cleaning tasks with motorized brush power, cordless mobility, and a design focused on reducing manual scrubbing effort. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best electric spin scrubbers here on Prime Picks USA. If any of these scrubbers caught your attention, we have included links in the description where you can check the latest price and details. Make sure to subscribe to Prime Picks USA for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.